get this one off the back here. We got two sensors that need to come off. Got one. And two. Just going to remove those. And we've got alright, so there's a little clip that's holding this electrical wire. We don't want to break that. Alright, so we are going to squeeze the clip from the inside. We're going to try and wiggle it out without breaking it. There's very little space, so hopefully I'm not blocking the camera. Come on, light. For goodness sakes. Okay. And I think that just broke. And yeah, probably just. Oh, that's a given. It's crusty as heck. Okay. There's a bolt down there in the back. Let me get that one. There you go. Okay, got that one. Okay, that's a long one. There's another bolt below it down here. I'm going to go with this. We're going to go with that. Let's see what happens here. Stops ratcheting, but it's too tight to come out with your fingertips. There we go. We got her. We got her. We will prevail. It may take way longer than you anticipated. Oh, but we will prevail. All right, we're back at it today. It's a new day. It's a new day because I had to go to work, and that's what happens with my projects, is I often have to leave because I have to go to work. So, that being said, I'm trying to get this last bolt right here, and I changed tactics, going to flex head ratchet, which I probably should have done right from the beginning. Not sure why I did not, but that's nor here nor there. Now let's see if we can get it on. Oh. Come on. Come on. doing? Stand by. I think we're cooking with gas, people. We went with it. Oh. Ended up being a 3/8 flex head for the win from underneath the car. Holy Moses. Oh my goodness. Here's the part. Once again, you can see the gasket's completely flat, nothing left. So we're gonna get this cleaned up. We're gonna take this gasket out and change it. And yeah, meet you back here in a little bit. Just be advised, it's pretty difficult to get in here. I'm gonna do something crazy. Hopefully they'll give me a little bit better access. I just don't want to get anything in here, which is why I've had that on top of it, but here goes nothing, folks. Get in the hole! Get in the hole! I'm not even in it. Keep your jokes to yourself. Oh crap, my legs went out. I got one. So this is, in every sense of the word, you just got to feel it out. Like I mean, unless you took out a lot of stuff around here, there's no way to see this. There's two. Bolts kind of go in a triangle pattern. With two parallel at the top and one below, as you saw, as I clearly didn't pay attention when I was trying to take this thing off. Couldn't figure out where the other bolts were. Boy, they go in so much easier. All right. Finger tighten these bad boys. This is probably where a professional mechanic earns his keep, you know what I'm saying? And slip it right on there. They know how to deal with all this nonsense. Some idiot like myself has to figure it out as we go. Why is that not? Finger tighten is the key here, so your ratchet does as little as awkward maneuvering as possible. Come on. Got 2 out of 3. Don't be giving me attitude now. There we go. It's also an absolute delight on your back to be leaning over in this awkward position for all this time. Okay. We're going to do one more. Now that they're all tight, we're going to do one more little snug. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay. Easy peasy. Whew. All right, so that's going to be it for today for me. I got to go to work like usual.